RYNO, Ratchet, and Clank. A land shark gun armed and dangerous. Farsight perfect dark. Laptop gun perfect dark. A shrink ray Duke Nukem 3D. Cerebral board Turok 2. AWP sniper rifle CounterStrike. That gun Fallout New Vegas. Mega Buster Mega Man. Alien Blaster Fallout 3. Ray Gun Call of Duty Zombies. The Hammer of Dawn Gears of War. The Spread Gun Contra. The Lancer Gears of War. Needler Halo. The Golden Gun Goldeneye. The BFG 9000 Doom. The Gravity Gun Half-Life 2. Portal Gun Portal.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.